Hey Joel, it's Amber from Local Leads Co. I just wanted to go ahead and shoot this quick screencast for you, just going over 3 areas where you could kind of make some modifications in your website to rank higher and as a result get more customers in your door. So these are changes that you could make on your own. This is kind of just an insightful video to show you where areas of opportunity are for you and for your business. So I will go ahead and get right on into it. I have your website pulled up here. I love the overall layout. I love the amount of photos you have. One thing I see right off the bat is that it looks like you don't have a whole lot of content on your front page. Google loves content. This is an area, one of the main areas that they look at when it comes to ranking websites and ranking businesses. So this is certainly an area of opportunity and growth for you. I have your top competitor pulled up here. This is in the Lakeland area. I know you guys work in a few different areas, so this is just particular to the Lakeland area. It looks like your top competitor in Lakeland is Kale Smith Inc. Their layout's pretty nice as well. I mean, they don't have as many photos. They do have this video backdrop, but they also don't have a whole lot of content either. So this is certainly an area where I don't see you having an issue kind of beating them. And then your second top competitor, A3 Roofing, also located in the Lakeland area. Their website's a little bit more updated. They have more photos, but they also don't have really any content either. So this is definitely an area of opportunity where you could beat them. The second area I wanted to look at with you, it includes this tool. It's called Ahrefs. It really helps you to see the whole history of your website, where it's ranked in the past, where it's ranking now, even to the point of where you can make changes to make your website rank higher. It's an amazing tool that we use. So I have your website pulled up here. One thing I wanted to go through with you is keywords, and what keywords are really what help your website to rank. So, for instance, you have a keyword here called Lakeland Roofing Company. It looks like you're in the 4th position. You get about 11 traffic per month from being in this position. It looks like people Google this about 100 times a month. So it looks like they get an overall volume of 100 customers potentially that you could be getting per month if you were in the number 1 position. And then same here, Lakeland Roofing. They have a volume of 200 searches per month, the potential of 200 customers. You're in the 10th position. So this is certainly an area of opportunity for you to get your website ranking higher and really optimizing these keywords here. Your top competitor, again, Kale Smith Incorporated, I have them pulled up here as well. Same keyword, they're using roofing in Lakeland, Florida. However, they're in the number 1 position. It looks like they're in the number 1 position for roofing companies in Lakeland, Florida. They're getting a lot of traffic too, so they're getting 300 from roofing in Lakeland, Florida, 100 people from roofing companies in Lakeland, Florida. A ton of traffic that you're missing out on right now, but you could be getting if you make these minute changes. And then your second top competitor, A3 Roofing. Same, looks like they have the same keyword, however they're in the 6th position and they actually just went down 1. So those are just some changes you could make, optimizing on specific keywords and making sure they're included in the content that you have on your website. And the way that you actually rank these keywords, let me go back, is by using backlinks. So when I go to your website, I'm going to go back to the overview. You have 78 backlinks. And what backlinks actually are, this brings me to my second point, they are pretty much links that are referring back to your website, whether it be a blog about roofing, whether it be a different roofing company, regardless of who it is, these links are referring back to your website. Now, all backlinks are created differently, and Google does look at this as well. So For instance, if you were to have a pizza place referring back to your website, they would look at that as kind of like a spammy link. And as a result of that, that lowers the amount of power and influence and trust that your website has, and it decreases your ability to rank. So backlinks are very important, and it's just as important to get very good, credible backlinks as well. So you have 78 backlinks. Looks like your top competitor, KL Smith Incorporated, they have 111 backlinks, and then A3 Roofing has 260. So not only is it important to double or triple, what they have, you want to certainly outnumber them, but it's also just as important to get good quality links as well. And then the last thing that I wanted to go through with you is what's called citations. This is the third area where you can kind of grow your business, scale your business, and get more customers in the door. And what a citation is it's pretty much your name, address, and your phone number blasted all over directories, all over different social media accounts, anywhere and everywhere on the internet. It looks like you have 40 citations. Your top competitor has 39, and then your second top competitor has 28. So I would certainly look into doubling or tripling what you have just to make sure you are beating them in this area. But that is the third area to look at overall. So those are really just the three things where you could kind of make some changes in your website to get more customers in the door. And you can either do this on your own, we could set up a meeting and I could assist you with that as well. But I just wanted to kind of give you some information to help you and give you some insight on some changes you can make to rank your company in Google. But yeah, that's everything I have for you. I would love to touch base with you, and if not, that's okay as well. I hope you learned something from this, and if you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach back out to me. Thank you so much. Hope you have a good one.